It was created, people were living in harmony with nature. The air was clean, the rivers were pure, and the forests were full of life. But suddenly, a huge change came around. Comparing the earth of 90s and the earth of 20s, there is a huge difference. I think I will be not able to explain it really well, so let me introduce you to the earth of 90s and the earth of 20s.
The one coughing around. Oh, hello, I'm the Earth of 2000s, the smartest.
You call it the smartest? Look at you, covered with smoke and pollution. Look at me, I'm so green with good atmosphere and happiness all around.
Don't you believe me? Let me show you.
Good morning. Yes, sir, it's done.
Oh, wow, the work has been faster than we expected, so let's visit the site.
Yes, sir. Let's visit.
Let's visit the site.
Let's visit the site and check the progress. Sure, sir. We have put a lot of hard work in this project. We will get profit, right? But they were not aware of the consequences.
Can you see the development in me? I'm so progressive.
You call it progressive? It's destructive. You show me the present, now let me show you your future.
Something happened to her. What happened? What's wrong with my child?
I cannot breathe. I do not feel good.
Don't say it like that. I will take you to the doctor. Hi, doctor. She was just playing with her friends and suddenly she started coughing. Now she's not able to breathe.
Oh, I see. She is not able to breathe. Her lungs are affected. I feel helpless. So many people are coming to me with the same problem. The past generation has never thought about the future.
I thought I'm the smartest, whereas I'm not.
No, you are not. The people who are doing this to you are. We must find a solution to overcome this problem. We can follow the skill of the month given in the school calendar, that is sustainability. But first of all, I want to call my friends to tell us more about sustainability.
All life on earth depends on the environment. The natural resources that come from the environment includes food, water, plants and minerals. Sustainability is the idea that humans must interact with the environment in the way that ensures there will be enough resources left for the future generations. There are now more than 7 billion people on earth. These billions of people use these resources every day. Thank you.
Human activity has harmed the environment in many ways. Some of the resources that people use cannot be replaced once they're used. People use huge amount of fossil fuels, which has led to pollution and other problems. Sustainability addresses ways to protect and conserve the environment. When you see little the streets and there is full of pollution, when you feel like it's piling up, remember there is solution. Help clean a beach or recycle bottles and cans. Learn about problems we face or help others understand. It doesn't have to be a lot. If we each do our
for you and your family.
Choose organic. By opting for organic produces, you are supporting farming practices that avoid harmful chemicals and promote healthy soil.
Use a water filter instead of buying plastic water bottles. Take a shorter shower. Turn off the water when you are not using them. Turn off the lights when you are not using them.
Promote sustainable transportation, encouraging the public transport, cycling, walking, and electric vehicles. It plays a crucial role in reducing air pollution. Thank you.